Given a circle with center O and chord AB, and being told that AC is equal to CB, with C being on AB, we need to prove that OC is perpendicular to AB. The only way to prove that OC is perpendicular to AB is if we can prove that angle C1 or angle C2 is equal to 90 degrees. So to prove this converse of theorem number 1, we need to actually prove congruency. But before we prove, we need to construct two lines, which is OA and OB. And these two lines are actually the radiuses of the circle. So now that we have constructed the two lines, we need to prove. So if we prove congruency, we need to mention the triangles in which we are proving congruency. So we're going to prove congruency in between triangle OAC and triangle OCB. So now that we have mentioned the triangles, we need to now prove 3 points for congruency. The first point that we can prove is that AC is equal to BC. Remember that it is given to us that AC is equal CB. The second part is that OA is equal to OB. OA and OB, they are both radiuses, so they are equal. The last point is that OC, it is common in both the triangles. So now we have proved 3 points. But now how did we prove these 3 points? We have proved a side of a triangle, and a side of a triangle, and another side of a triangle are equal. So therefore, these two triangles are congruent because now of the congruency reason that says all sides are equal. So this is side, side, side. So now that we have proved congruency, congruency simply means all the sides are equal, therefore also all the angles are equal. So the triangles are exactly the same. So if these two triangles are congruent, therefore we can conclude to say now angle C1 is actually equal angle C2 because of the congruency. So if this is the case, we can therefore say now C1 plus C2 is equal to 180 degrees because this is the angle on a straight line. Angles on a straight line are supplementary. And then from there, we can clearly see that C1 and C2 are equal, and they are both equal to 90 degrees because to add them and give you 180 degrees, they must be both equal 90 degrees. And that concludes that the line of OC is actually perpendicular to the line of AB because the angle there is 90 degrees.